Perfect. I count up so much money lately. I count up so much that they hate me. Yeah, I make niggas mad cause they ain't me. Yeah, I've been in my bag going crazy. I count up so much money lately. I count up so much that they hate me. Yeah, I make niggas mad cause they ain't me. Yeah, I've been in my bag going crazy. Bitch, I'm not.
First don't fuck your bitch in the click you claim. West side when we ride, come equipped with game. You claim to be a player, but I fucked your wife. We bust on bad boys, niggas fuck for life. Plus, Puffy tryna see me weak, hearts I rip. Biggie Smalls and Junior Mafia some more. I think a little higher. I think a little higher.
What's up? So we got back on the video. It's your boy P Digital 21. I just want to say welcome back to my channel, and also how you guys doing this fine Monday evening. And also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We post here to all social media platforms. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell for future videos, and also get the Pizzo game. Oh no, don't forget to hit the post notification bell for future videos. All right. And also, if you're happy or sad, then my entertainment should bring you joy. And for our next reaction, we have iShowSpeed sets off fireworks in his room gone wrong. All right. So I know like July 4th was like, let me see, we're in 11, so it was like 7 days, like a week ago. So yeah, it was like last Monday. Yes. So Speed decides to like set off fireworks like in his room instead of fireworks outside, and they go completely wrong. All right. So let's check it out.
These freaking fireworks.
It's like, I don't know who gave him this idea. It's just like, nigga, you know you're about to start a fire, like, easily when you do that.
Now, I ain't gonna lie, KSI seem cool. Doesn't he, chat? Doesn't KSI seem cool? Like, he'd probably be nice to me, though. But he still doesn't get hoes, though. That's crazy. Imagine still not getting hoes. That's fucking crazy.
I don't know if y'all can hear him.
He doesn't get no type of hoes, bro. That's actually crazy. All right, let's go. I got a lot of fireworks right now. First one off.
You got a whole box, like, seriously, like, you really about, like, set them off in your room, son.
Let's like the Pikachu one, y'all. Let's like the Pikachu one, y'all. I don't think it's gonna be that loud, personally. Oh shit. Oh yeah. I don't think it's gonna be that loud, y'all. Damn, where the hell my lighter go? Where's my lighter? Where's my lighter at?
Yo, nobody wants to see it.
Oh. Where did I put it? Oh, here we go, right here. All right.
I feel like that was a sign that like he lost his lighter, but then like it was like another sign that just told him like just find the lighter and do it. Like seriously.
Pikachu!
gonna happen. Like, seriously, it was gonna make like sparkling colors and whatnot. Like, this is how a regular firework goes also.
I said it! Oh! Mom! Oh shit! Mom!
And he's doing this in his parents' like household. Like, seriously, setting off fireworks in the yo, good luck getting that insurance money. Like, seriously, we went to the insurance. Like, I set off fireworks just so that like no, our child set off fireworks and like on purpose or by accident. Like, just good luck.
Oh my god, Mom! 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 Oh my goodness! No, 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 no!
Oh my God, is it a fire?
No, it's not, it's not!
Yes, it is!
It's not, it's not!
What the fuck is you doing?
I didn't know! I
Oh
thought
my
it
God!
Stop!
Turn that stream on!
I didn't...
Oh my God, this is on fire!
I didn't know! I thought it was the popping ones, Mom!
Oh my fucking God! Oh my God!
I'm sorry.
Oh my God!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's not...
And look, you gotta give like his parents like for supporting him, but when he does stuff like this, then they lose they cool. Like, seriously. Because they're giving you shelter to live in, and you're just trying to mess it up like for yourself. Like, I'm surprised they haven't told him to move out. Like, seriously.
It's not on... It's not chill. Chill.
How you gonna tell your mother to chill? Like, seriously. Like, first of all, somebody do something about that smoke alarm, son.
Chill.
Like, why are you screaming? Like, turn off the smoke alarm, son. Cause there's like hella smoke that's in his room now, son.
Okay. Huh?
So y'all not doing anything about the smoke alarm or the smoke. Like,
Where at? Nothing like right here. Get your tick. Huh? Yeah. Huh? Talking to him.
What happened? A firework went off?
Yeah, a firework went out, then it just like went boom. Like, it's, I don't know. Like, it just started going. Look.
if I was that firefighter, I'd be like, so you try to be creative, right? You try to be like outgoing, like, so you just put a firework in your room, like you don't see these normal people putting fireworks outside, like. I was like, yo, so this is the type of BS that I'm called into. Yo, I want to raise.
It's like black stuff in the air right now.
Yeah. You don't have anything?
That firefighter does not have time for shenanigans like that, son.
You think it for us in the first truck?
Like, he's really like looking around like, oh, you really try to put fireworks in your room.
Here you go.
Like, this boy does not have a sense in mind, son.
engine 51. You can go ahead and make this for engine 51 in the first truck.
I'm done. Like seriously, I'm done. It's like you really have to have a sense like in not putting like fireworks like in a room. Like this is why we don't do fireworks inside. We do it outside, cause so that you could see in the sky, and then like the smoke could like go away in the clouds and whatnot. But you don't do it in your room so that you could have the ambulance come, and then now like no, not the ambulance. I'm saying the firefighters come, and like now like they're trying like they're trying to think to themselves like, why would like a person like do that? Like they seen their neighbors do it outside. Like it's just I don't know. Like you just trying to be different in some sort of way, and that's what iShowSpeed sets off fireworks in his room gone wrong. All right. So let me know in the comment section what you guys thought. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and post share to all social media platforms. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell for future videos, and also get the Digital Gang merch at Teespring. At teespring.com/pdigital no that's gang. And also, if you think the price is a little too high, then I have a promo code. I have welcome25 in all caps. And then number 25. And you have to also get 2 items for that code to work. And it's your boy P Digital 21 signing off, and we're Digital Gang.
Do you slide on,
bitches. We keep on coming while we running for your juice. Steady gunning, keep on busting at the boots. You know the rules. Little